like that it's in Hawaii. Makes it all What do you think is hilarious?
They have no napkins, and you have to bring your own handy wipes.
What are you going to do?
I'm just going to eat it, and I'm going to put it right in there. All my little guts, all my guts under my nails.
Me too. You're right.
Alright, I got you. Well, we need number 6, right?
They call the numbers.
Yeah, well, I got to exert a little extra pressure. Hey, is my food ready yet? Hey, is my food ready yet? Hey, is my food ready yet?
I'm just along for the ride. And there's no need for
Orange shrimp. It's really kind of good.
Sure is good.
I think I want to keep the stench of garlic shrimp on my fingers as a memory.